Hey guys, it's Michelle and I'm back with another video. Today I want to share with you guys some of my favorite natural hair products that I have been liking recently. So if you are interested in seeing these products and checking them out, then keep watching. Alright, so the first product that I want to mention today is from the brand Alake Naturals. And this brand has a wide variety of products ranging from butters, they have a lot of oils, shampoos, conditioners, everything under the sun, they have it. And this product that I wanted to mention today is their Not to Be Gone hair detangler, and this product is amazing. I've never used a product like this before. It works really good on my hair and it just melts into my curls. It makes them feel super soft and shiny. I really like this product. At first I wasn't too sure what it was and what its use was, because it said hair detangler, but I have been using it as my leave-in conditioner when I do my lock method. So I've been using it for that and it works really good on my hair. It works with all combinations of products. It's not one of those products where you have to use it with the particular brand of products or you'll have like flakes or something like that, but it works really well if you want to cocktail it with different products. So I have been using this non-stop and it just smells really good. Let's see, as far as the ingredients in here, it has a lot of ingredients that you can read. Aloe vera juice, let's see here, it has marshmallow, coconut, hibiscus flower, a lot of natural ingredients. It doesn't contain any mineral oils or petroleums or silicones in it, so it's very healthy for your hair and works very well. As far as the texture of this product, it's kind of like a jelly-like material or texture, so it feels really good and it feels just as good when you put it on your hair. So I would definitely recommend this product if you can get your hands on it. I know Alake Naturals products are in like Walmart, you can find them in Target, you can also order them online, so I'll definitely make sure to link this below so that you can get your hands on it. Alright, so the next product that I have is also by Alake Naturals, and it is their Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. And this oil is really good. I love this oil. I use it when I also do my lock method. When I do my leave-in, I'll use this oil following that, and it is amazing. It has all of those oils that you look for when you are looking for an oil. It has like sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, peppermint, tea tree, and it doesn't smell strong or anything like that. So if you are sensitive to smells, I would definitely recommend this because it wouldn't bother you or make you feel weird, anything like that. So it's definitely one of those good oils that you can use on a day-to-day basis. So I just use it for the lock method, and if I needed some additional moisture in my hair, I could definitely just go in and part my hair or just kind of go in. I really like how the top is. You can just untwist it and then just go in your roots and then massage your hair as you need to, and your hair will feel really good and it just will have that extra shine in there. So I would definitely check this out if you get a chance, and it's a great oil. It's for kinky, curly, wavy, and straight hair. So this one is one of my favorites. Alright, so the next product that I have is by Honey Baby Naturals, and it is their Hold It Honey Styling Gel. This gel is amazing. It smells really good. All of Honey Baby Natural products smell really good and light and refreshing. And I would definitely try this out, smell it if you see it in stores. They have this in Target for sure, online, and some drugstores have them. So if you can get your hands on it, I would try it out. I know that a lot of people say that Eco Styler gel is canceled, so if you are looking for another gel to slick back your ponytails, get your edges straight, I would check them out. This is really good. And I use it when I want to do like a high puff or something. I'll just put it, I'll spray some water on my hair and then I'll add this onto it, brush it back with a brush, and then I'll set it with a scarf. And I use this and it holds my hair really well. It has no harsh chemicals, no parabens, no petroleum, no mineral oil in it. It just has all of those good ingredients that you look for when you're looking for a gel. So I would definitely give this a shot if you can. Everyone I know loves this. I put my mom on this, my sister on this. they really love Honey Baby Natural products. So try this out. Let me know what you think about it. Alright, so the next product that I have is by Uncle Funky's Daughters, and it is their moisturizing cleanser, and this is their shampoo, and it works really well on my hair. I am a type of person who's not really picky about shampoos, but recently I've been having to shampoo my hair a little bit more often because I've had a little bit more dandruff in my hair, a little bit more buildup, so I wanted something that will help my hair get clean but still not strip it and make it dry. So I definitely really love this product. It moisturizes my hair. It doesn't feel dry and crispy afterwards. It feels really soft, like it's been conditioned or something, so it feels really good after I use it, and it smells amazing. All of Uncle Funky's Daughter products smell really good. They have a very large line as well, so if you are looking for some products that you want to try, I would definitely recommend going and trying their products. I've tried quite a few of them and they have not let me down, and they are great products. I know that they sell them in quite a few stores too, so if you could get your hands on this, I would definitely give it a shot. If you have been experiencing dandruff and buildup in your hair, this definitely will do the trick for you. Alright, and the next product that I want to share is also by Uncle Funky's Daughters. I can't talk today. Uncle Funky's Daughter. It is their Extra Butter Shine Cream, and this works really well. I use this as a cream when I do my lock method. So I will do the leave-in conditioner, the oil, and then I'll go in with this cream. And this cream smells so good. It's the perfect consistency that I look for when I look for a cream. It's not too heavy. It won't leave your hair feeling greasy. I know in the summer you still need to have your hair moisturized, but you don't want it to feel greasy, and you don't want to have, you know, product build up like getting on your skin when you're wearing your arms out. So definitely love this product. It's not too thick. It's not like a shea butter, but it's not like very light like a lotion. Like I hate those butters that are like lotions and it feels like I'm just slapping lotion on my hair. This one definitely penetrates in your hair and leaves it feeling good. I use this when I refresh my hair during the week. If my hair is feeling kind of crusty, or you know, being out in the sun and the heat is getting on your hair can feel extra dry. This really does the trick in helping it feel moisturized and shiny. And again, this product is for hair types 4, 3, and 2. My hair type is 4A, 4B. So I need a product that is going to be strong and is going to seep into my hair. So this works perfect for me. And of course, this product doesn't have any mineral oils or parabens or any sulfates in it, so it doesn't have any of that, so it will be great for your hair, and I would recommend this. And if you don't want to go ahead and plunge and get this big bottle, they do have the smaller size bottles in their travel kit. So if you don't want to fully commit to this, you want to kind of test it out, and also a few other products by Uncle Funky's Daughter, you can definitely get their travel kit, and they have that in Walmart, and you can get that and just test it out and see if you like it. So this one is really good. Alright, so the last product that I have is it's by Eden Body Works, and it is their Almond Marshmallow Therapy Leave-In Conditioner. Excuse me, that was a lot. So it is a leave-in conditioner, and I've been using this, you can see, for a while. Like, I only have a little teeny bit in there left. So I have been using this. It's very easy and to use. When I travel, I bring this with me, and you can just spritz your hair really easily, and it'll give your hair some moisture. The consistency of this, it's not like a water, it's like a very light type of consistency. I don't know if you can kind of see it in there. It is liquidy, but it really helps to moisturize your hair, and it makes my hair feel very good. And I really like this line. It smells really good. They have, I think, 2 other products in their Almond Marshmallow line. I think there's a deep conditioner and a serum. So if you could get your hands on this, I would definitely try this and recommend this product. Alright guys, so those are all of my products that I have been using recently and that I've really been loving. And like I said, these lines have a lot of products that I use, but these few ones that I picked out are the ones that are hands down amazing, and if you go try this, I know that you will love them. So down below, let me know what products you guys have been using recently, and let me know if you want me to try them. I also want to do a all product video. Like, I want to use one brand and use all of their products to do like a signature braid out of mine, or twist out, or another style. So just let me know what product line you would like for me to do that tutorial on, and I'll get that out for you guys really soon. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you for staying tuned, and I will see you in my next video very soon.